Good day everyone. Today we're going to be discussing about the different types of quantitative research designs. To give you an overview, quantitative research is divided into two major types. The first one is experimental research, which is subdivided according to true experimental and quasi-experimental, while the other one is descriptive non-experimental, which is further classified according to purpose, under which we have survey research and correlational research, while the other one is according to time dimension. Some examples are cross-sectional research and longitudinal research.
Okay, let me pause. So there are a lot of designs for quantitative. But for yung common, yung usual na ginagamit, okay, these are the designs. So, una, quantitative is divided into two major designs. Experimental at saka non-experimental or descriptive. So, experimental at saka non-experimental. So, if you do experimental research, there is two categories, true experimental and quasi. Everybody? Quasi-experimental. And for non-experimental, you have, it's based on according to purpose and according to time. The purpose, survey, and then correlational. Mga non-experimental po according to time, cross-sectional, and then longitudinal. Guys, so remember yung sa design ng article number 2 kahapon? Ano yun? This is descriptive, cross-sectional,